Hello everyone and welcome back to Skills Academy. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to find your Skrill account number. Be sure to stick around till the end of the video to learn this valuable information. Skrill is a leading global payment platform that functions as a virtual wallet, enabling users like you to send and receive money. While your Skrill account number or customer ID isn't always mandatory for most transactions on the platform, knowing it can expedite your access to customer service at Skrill. And here's how you can find it. If you're using a web browser, open your preferred browser and visit skrill.com. You can also find the link in the video description below. Alternatively, if you're using the Skrill mobile application, log into your account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home page. Look for your name or profile image at the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Click on it, and there you'll find your account number, which will be labeled as customer ID. It typically consists of 6 to 12 digits. With these straightforward instructions, you'll be able to locate your Skrill account number quickly and easily. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and follow the channel if this video helped you. Bye for now.